Hey you guys, my spaghetti bake with alfredo is all done. Here it is right here, you guys. Look at that meat, look at that cheese. Okay, and here is my garlic toast right here on deck. Only thing I need is me a little small salad and I'll be good to go. So, but I don't. So, I will be going to the grocery store next week and pick up some few things. But once again, you guys, this was a recipe that I found online, actually off of Instagram, and I'm going to try it, and I'm going to cut into it. And here is my lemonade, you guys. Okay, I have my fork here. I'm just going to get a little corner of this. Ooh. Look at that steam coming out of there. I might have to let this cool down a little bit more before I can dig in. Okay. Look at that cheese in there, the cheese pool. Woo. I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna taste that alfredo in here. Ooh, this is a must try. This gonna have to hurry up and cool down. So I'm gonna pour my lemonade. I'm gonna give this probably 5 more minutes, you guys, and I'm about to eat. I thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.